Hi, I'm Bernie Thompson. I'm the founder of Plugable Technologies, and we're really excited today to be launching our UD-CAM docking station. It's the most compact, most powerful USB-C docking station to hit the market to date, and I wanted to show what it looks like to put it to use. So we've got a Microsoft Surface Book 2 laptop here. It's got some USB-A ports, and it's got one USB-C port. You'll notice though that it doesn't have a network port, and I'd love to connect it to this monitor right here, but there's no graphics ports on it either. So how do we really take this laptop and turn it into a full function desktop? Well, this one docking station is really everything that you need to do that, and it will charge the laptop all over a single USB-C cable. So let's see what that looks like. So I've got the dock here, and by the way, this dock comes with what's called a VESA mount. It's that little bracket that you see on the back of some monitors. So we can actually take this and mount it and hide it on the back of the monitor. I'm actually going to do everything right out here on the desktop so you can see it all getting connected. So the first thing we do is we plug in power to the dock, and that's going to be the only power that's required. The dock itself is going to then power the laptop through USB power delivery. And then we're going to connect together the actual dock and the laptop. So this is a USB-C cable connecting to the Surface Book 2. And at this point, the Surface Book 2 is seeing the dock, but the dock doesn't yet have anything connected to it. The first thing I'd love to do is get use of this big monitor here. So I'm going to just plug in the HDMI cable, and that's what the dock supports. The dock supports 4K HDMI. And up on the screen, well, we'll pop the Windows desktop. And I can take a window over to it, and there we go. And move it between my two screens. And one of the reasons why that window is blank is because I don't have network access. So let me go grab a network cable and plug that into the dock. So now I'm getting kind of higher speed wired network performance through the docking station. And I would go over there and kind of mess with the window, but I hate using the trackpad on these laptops. So let me also connect in a mouse. Okay, great. So now I've got a mouse. Hey, this is actually feeling like a setup that I would be, happy using here. Okay, so we've got the mouse connected, so it's a little bit easier now to work with things, and we've got the network connected. So, yeah, the network's connected, and we're able to bring up the Plugable website on our browser. So, we also have an audio port on the front of the docking station. If you're in an office environment or something and you want to kind of keep it quiet, or if you want to put on speakers and make it loud, either way, you can use the audio 3.5 millimeter audio connection there on the front. And so we've got all of this stuff connected, and we've still got 3 more free USB ports. And this Surface Book is really beginning to feel like a desktop setup with extra monitor, mouse. I could really use this as my day-to-day workstation, and then it's only a single cable connected to the Surface Book. And then the kicker is that the Surface Book is actually also getting charged and getting all of its power right from the docking station. The docking station supports 85 watts of power delivery, so even some of the higher power laptops that aren't supported by all docking stations are supported by this one. A good example of that is the higher end MacBook Pros that require 85 watts. So we support that. So I've got a full desktop setup, and when my day is done, I can just unplug and go. So if you have any questions at all about the dock or about the functionality, we'd love to hear from you in the comments, and I'm going to go do some work.